So, madilim pa pala.
Give me one more reason why I should stay. 'Cause you got 2 minutes, 2
All is good.
minutes to explain. You better come up with something smart to say.
That face.
Already on my way.
So, it's the first Sunday of the year 2026. It's January 4. So, ngayon maglalakad ako at si Abby papuntang Christ the King. Nasa 5 km away. Christ the King siguro from here. So, si Abby kasi na-try niya na twice nung December. Kasi parang nalulungkot ata siya. So, pero yung walk niya sobra, pero gusto ko siya samahan. Every Sunday niya raw to gagawin. So, yun, maliligo lang ako. 4 AM pa lang ngayon. 5 AM kami maglalakad. Then, yung mas 6 AM. So, makakarating kami doon ng 5:50 siguro. Si Allen sasama din, pero magka-car siya kasi may lakad siya after. After rin pala namin mag-mass ni Abby. Siguro rest lang sandali. Tapos siya sa Manila cheesesteak. Kasi Sunday ngayon. Then ako diba every Sunday nagmo-mall. So magmo-mall lang kami ni Athena. Di ko lang sure kung sino yung mga sasama. Let's see.
You don't care about it, but the guys I've seen before. When I lead you to the dance floor, you should know I hope for more.
So magdilim pa pala. Let's go. Kung sasabay na ako kay Allen pa uwi Nakakotse siya.
Hindi tayo sa kanya papunta.
Uwi.
Kasi parang mabot tayo sa bus.
Late si Abby nagising, 5:30. 6 yung mas. Baka di kami umabot 15 minutes yung walk. So, sabi niya, sabay na lang kami kay Allen papunta. Pauwi kami mag-walk. Waiting lang kay Allen, sabay na lang tayo sa kanya. Kaya late tayo pag nag-walk. O dahilan lang yun. Pag-uwi sana hindi ba init? Kasi ito rin suot ko sa mall mamaya.
A little rain begins to fall down. Wash it away and see what stays around. And round we go now. I lay my eyes that you live by my side.
5:59. Kung nilakad to, wala na kami maabutan. Ano, walk na?
Walk. Ayaw.
2,000 steps na ako.
Ito dito, walking na to. All is good. Ayun na, sabi tayo.
So 7 AM na. Magnanap muna ako bago ako mag-mall. Ano oras tayo alis? 11 AM.
Ayun.
Mga 11:30 AM siguro. With Athena. Good Sunday, nakapag-mass agad. 6 AM. Diba?
Tama, Sir Kens? Tama. Yun.
Pakita mo nga dito yung sayo mo sa Manila cheesesteak. Oh, ito. Sarap wala ata kayo pupunta mamaya.
Hi vlog! We're going to the mall.
With?
Daddy, Yaya, and
Who's the ting-ting? Who's the ting? You?
Daddy, go here!
Why angry? Samahan ko lang si Athena mag-church kasi hindi siya nakakapag-church. Pero mag-pray lang siya, hindi na siya magmamas. Who's the clown? Who's the clown?
Daddy!
What's the name of the clown? Chopper. Chirpy. Go. Ay. It's mine, Tina. It's mine. Is it mine? Wow. Yeah. Are you happy? What color is the balloon?
Pink!
Oh! It's that face. Blue cheeseburger. You have fries. You want ketchup? Yes. Yummy? That's Apollo. Can I see holding Apollo? Can I see again? That's Apollo.
You know that I lie when I say that I'm fine. Cause you know me like that. You know me better than anyone I know.
Alin? So, walang traffic, guys. Sorry. May isang Philly cheesesteak. Yes, sir. Ano, sir? Lakad puntang church? Say bye na. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Where are you going? Me. I draw that. No, daddy only. Ay, there's your book. Oh, show them your book. Show the video, your book. Can I see? Oh, that's Athena.
Oh, Athena's storybook.
Can I see the title? Princess Athena and the Glowing Flower.
Wow! Princess Athena!
Pwede nyo nabilin yun, guys. Story ni Athena. Let's go.
Yeah! Yeah!
Hey, you're not gonna hug? You're not gonna hug and kiss? Come on.
Bye-bye.
Kiss. We're going to be studying. Love you. Hi guys, so nakakapagod tong araw na to. Pero hindi naman to yung usual na Sunday na gagawin ko talaga. Ang goal ko talaga this year is complete yung Sunday must. Tapos goal ko din this year is syempre mag-expand yung business ko. Mas maging closer sa family. And yun, mas maging busy talaga. Mas more on serious na sa buhay. Less distraction, mas dun na sa mga priorities. Mahirap kasi mag-start pero ang pinakamahirap talaga is maging consistent. And guys, thank you for watching. This is first Sunday of 2026. Wala masyadong ginawa. Hindi ako nakapag-goal ko kasi every Sunday this year is sa morning mag-run sa Ayala. Sa Ayara, kina-close yung road eh. So, bala ko morning dun mag-run. Tapos after lunch na lang ako mag-church. So, yun. Thank you for watching.